Hello, my name is Melina Picon. I'm a founder member at America's Virtual Chamber of Commerce and Industry, AVCCI. We would like you to join us today. I am also owner of PowerBooks LLC. We provide outsourced bookkeeping, accounting, and controller services to businesses of all size. We help them transition from struggling with messy in-house bookkeeping to high-level accounting department. By outsourcing with us, our clients save about 40% on accounting costs, which allows them to focus on generating revenue. We guarantee honest, balanced, timely, and efficient financial services. Our phone number, if you would like to have a free consultation, is 845-208-4649. If you would like to email me, my email address is melina@powerbooks-llc.com and our website www.powerbookssllc.com. Thank you.